Hey everyone, it's Friday, September 25th. Today, first thing, make sure that you go and check in on campus so that you don't get counted absent. Then you guys are going to keep looking at characters and how authors create characters. So the story that you're going to look at today is called Man in the Well. So focus on the characters because you're going to be picking one of the characters to do a steal chart on. So this time you get to choose who you would like to focus on. So the first thing, go and read Man in the Well, Common Lit. There's a link right here to Common Lit so that you can go and do that. Answer all the questions. After you're done answering all the questions, you are going to fill out a steal chart. The link to it is right here. It should bring you right here. Make a copy of it so that you are able to edit it. Then when you're finished, there are links to your drop boxes over here so that you can turn it in on Schoology. If you end up with any questions while you're working on this, please let me know so that I can get you some help. Otherwise, have a great day, a great weekend, and I will see you next week.